हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं AIBE-18 का जो आंसर की है उसकी। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Let's go.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द concept of freedom of trade and commerce mentioned in the Indian Constitution is motivated from the experience of the following country। तो ये चार ऑप्शंस हैं हमारे। तो डी ऑप्शन यूनाइटेड किंगडम इसका राइट आंसर है। सेकंड, which of following writ is issued to enforce the performance of public duties by the authority? A. Mandamus. Third, which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act had made the provision for publishing Hindi translation of the Constitution? D. 58th Amendment. Fourth, which of the following is the landmark judgment on the colorable legislation? D. Keshwan Madhav Menon versus State of Bombay. Fifth, which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act was passed in light of the advisory opinion received in Reed-Birubari case? The Constitution 4th Amendment Act 1955. Which of the following provision is the Constitution of India is relevant for solving questions of repugnancy between a central law and a state law? Article 254 is the right answer. Which transition period was provided in the Constitution of India for changing official language of Union from English to Hindi? 15 years। सेवन्थ का राइट आंसर है। एट्थ, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस इट वॉज हेल्ड दैट देयर कुड बी नो रिजर्वेशन ऑन सिंगल पोस्ट इन द कैडर? डी. स्टेट ऑफ केरला वर्सेस NM थॉमस के केस में ये बताया गया है। तो नेक्स्ट, नाइन्थ, sexual harassment for a working woman at her place of work may also be considered as violation of which of the following provisions of the Constitution of India? Article 19 clause 1 subclause G is the right answer. 10th, which of the following doctrine has been applied to resolve the conflict between Article 25 clause 2 subclause B and 26 clause B of the Constitution of India? Doctrine of harmonious construction A is the right answer. 11th, in which of the following situations Indian Penal Code 1860 may not apply? D. Only first and second option is the right answer. 12th, how many types of punishment are currently existing under the Indian Penal Code 1860? 6. D option is the right answer. 13, A and Z agree to fence with each other for amusement. In the course of such fencing, while playing fairly, A hurts Z severely. Which of the following offense is committed by A? Grievous hurt C is the right answer. 14, in which of the following situations right of private defense can not extend to causing death? In case when an assault is causing apprehension of murder. A option is the right answer. 15, for which of the following section of the IPC 1860 the word benefit does not include pecuniary benefits? Section 89A is the right answer. 16, X intentionally pulls up a woman's veil without her consent, intending to annoy her. As per the Indian Penal Code 1860, which of the following offense he has committed? Criminal force. Option B is the right answer. Next, 17, what punishment is prescribed under the IPC 1860 for a person who mean any minor in order that such minor may be used for the purposes of begging. Imprisonment for 10 years and fine. Option C is the right answer. 18. X threatens to publish a defamatory libel concerning Y unless Y gives him money. Which of the following punishment may be given to X for the act committed by him as per the IPC 1860? Imprisonment up to 2 years, or with fine, or with both. A is the right answer. 19. Which of the following sentence is an assistant sessions judge authorized to pass as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years. C is the right answer. 20. A person arrested by a private person for committing a non-bailable and cognizable offence shall be re-arrested by a police officer if such person comes under which of the following provision of a CRPC 1973? Section 43 is the right answer. Under which of the following situation wife is not entitled for maintenance under section 125 of the CRPC 1973? Second B. Voluntarily wife refuses to live with husband is the right answer of question number 21. 22nd. Which of the following procedure is dealt under section 164A of the CRPC 1973? A. Medical examination of the victim of rape is the right answer. 23rd. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to diary of proceedings in investigating as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The diary may be used as evidence. C option. 24th. In which of the following cases manner of committing offence is not required to be mentioned in the charge as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? A is accused of the theft of a certain article at a certain time and place. A is the right answer. 25th. Which of the following offences may be tried summarily as per the CRPC 1973? Offence punishable with imprisonment for a term not exceeding 2 years. C is the right answer. 26. Which of the following section of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 provides for reference to High Court? Section 395 is the right answer. Section 27. A person accused of the following offence may not be granted bail under Section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Option D, first, second and third is the right answer. 28. Which of the following act, if done by a magistrate even in good faith without being empowered, shall vitiate the proceedings as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Attaches property under Section 83 of the CRPC. C option is the correct answer. 29th question. Which of the following is material for deciding the jurisdiction of the civil court in the light of Code of Civil Procedure 1908? Averments made in the plaint. A is the right answer. Which of the following cannot be considered as the suit of civil nature for Section 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? Suit for recovery of voluntary payments or offerings. A is the right answer. 31st. Which of the following provision of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 makes the doctrine of res judicata applicable in representative suit? Option B, Section 11, Explanation 6 is the right answer. 32. In which of the following situations a court will not issue summons for personal appearance to the defendant? Option C. If defendant resides 250 miles away from the court in an area having public conveyance available is the right answer. 33rd. In which of the following situation plaintiff is precluded from bringing a fresh suit as per the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? C. Dismissal of suit in because plaintiff did not appear is the right answer. 34th. How many times a max may an adjournment be granted to a party during hearing of the suit as per the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? B. 3 times is the right answer. 35th. Which of the following Amendment Act made the provision in the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 to produce a witness without a summons? A. The Code of Civil Procedure Amendment Act 1976. 36th. Which of the following is not included in the word cost as provided under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? Fooding and lodging expenses incurred. C option is the right answer. 37. Which period is prescribed under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 for defendant to enter an appearance for filing address for service of notice on him in case of a suit where summary procedure is to be applied? 30 days from the date of receiving summons. D option is right. 38. Under which of the following provisions the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 the appellate court may remit an issue for trial to lower court? D. Order XL on Rule 25. D option is the correct answer. 39. A is accused of the murder of B by beating him. Which of the following will not be considered as relevant fact forming part of the same transaction as per the Indian Evidence Act 1872? C. Whatever said by B by bystander at time of beating. C is the correct answer. 40. Which of the following provisions of Indian Evidence Act 1872 says that the confession to police officer shall not be proved against him? Section 25. 41. Under which of the following provision of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 time declaration may be admitted as evidence? Section 32. C is the correct answer. 42nd question. Which of the following is correct according to the Indian Evidence Act 1872 pertaining to proof of contents of the documents? Contents of the documents shall be proved by primary evidence. A is correct. 43rd. Which of the following of correct statement as per the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Leading questions may be asked in cross-examination. B. 44th. In which of the following case did the Supreme Court of India clarify the admissibility of electronic record as evidence? State of Punjab versus Jagir Singh. D. 45th. Which of the following is incorrect statement in light of Indian Evidence Act 1872? B. Admissions are conclusive as to the matters admitted. 46. Which of the following section of Indian Evidence Act 1872 is an exception to the hearsay rule? Section 32 is the correct answer. 47. Which of the following is not a recognized alternate dispute resolution mechanism under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? Negotiation is the right answer. 48. Which of the following is incorrect statement with respect to Lok Adalat? Award of Lok Adalat is a deemed decree. C is the correct answer. 49. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to arbitration agreement as per the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996? B. Arbitration agreement may be in the form of a separate agreement. 50. In which of the following circumstances an arbitrator may not be challenged as per the Arbitration Conciliation Act 1996? C. When he possesses the qualifications agreed by the party. 51. When may two persons be said to be related to each other by half-blood in accordance with the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? B. When they are descended from a common ancestor by different wives. 52. Which of the following is generally not considered as a valid condition of a Hindu marriage? As per the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the party should not be suffering from epilepsy. D. 53. Section 13, Clause 1 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provides for the following. B. First and second is the correct answer. 54. What is the meaning of the batil marriage in Muslim law? Irregular marriage. D option is the correct answer. 55th. What is a contract marriage which may be dissolved by the wife under a power delegated to her called under the Muslim law? Talaq ul biddat. B is the correct answer. 56. A Hindu boy and a Hindu girl may be married under the following law. Only first is correct. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is the correct answer. 57. Through which of the following amendment act the rights in the co-partnership property is made available to a girl child as well? C. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005 is the correct answer. 58. What should be the age difference between the adoptive father and his adopted daughter for a valid adoption? C. 21 years. 59. Which of the following case may be considered as the part reported case of PIL in India? MC Mehta versus Union of India. C is correct answer. 60. Who among the following is considered as the father of PIL in India? Justice P.N. Bhagwati is the correct answer. 61. Against which of the following a PIL cannot be filed? Against a private party. C is the correct answer. 62. In the light of the guidelines issued by the Supreme Court of India, on which of the following issue a PIL cannot be entertained by the court? C. Matters pertaining to neglected children is the correct answer. 63rd. In which of the following landmark case it was held that principles of natural justice were applicable not only to judicial and quasi-judicial functions but also to administrative functions? A.K. Kripak versus Union of India. A is the correct answer. 64th. In which of the following judgment the Supreme Court had comprehensively reconsidered S.P. Sampath Kumar versus Union of India case? C. R.K. Jain versus Union of India is correct answer. 65th. Who among the following defined administrative law as the law relating to the control of governmental power. Ivor Jennings. A is the correct answer. 66. What penalty is prescribed for persons illegally practicing in courts under the Advocates Act 1961? B. Imprisonment up to 6 months is the correct answer. 67th. Which provision of the Advocates Act 1961 empowers the Bar Council of India to prescribe the standard of professional conduct and etiquette to the observed by advocates? Section 49D is correct answer. 68. Which of the following is incorrect according to the Bar Council of India rules? An advocate shall not stand as a surety for his client. C. 69. Which of the following authority acts as an appellate authority against the order made by the Disciplinary Committee of the Bar Council of India? Supreme Court of India. D is the correct answer. 70. In which of the following situations a person, company, OPC will mandatorily get converted into either private or public company? D. In case the paid up share capital of an OPC exceeds 1 crore rupees. D is the right answer. 71st. What is the minimum number of directors required for a public company as per the Companies Act 2013? 5. C is the right answer. 72nd. In which of the following case the Supreme Court of India had explained the precautionary principle in details? Vellore Citizens Welfare Forum versus Union of India is the right answer. 73rd. Which of the following is a landmark case on the public trust doctrine in the environmental law? Olga Tellis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation. B is the right answer. 74th. In which of the following case section 66A of the Information Technology Act 2000 was struck down by the Supreme Court? Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. A is the right answer. 75th. In which of the following case an electronic record shall not be attributed to the originator as per the Information Technology Act 2000? D. Electronic record sent by an unauthorized person is the correct answer. 76th. What is the maximum period for which any woman shall be entitled to maternity benefit under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961? B. 8 weeks is the correct answer. 77th. For what duration is a woman entitled to leave with wages for tubectomy operation as per the Maternity Benefit Act 1961? 8 weeks. D is correct answer. 78. What should be the minimum number of workers originally employed in any factory for having at least one canteen in the factory as per the Factories Act 1948? 250 workers. D is correct. 79. Who among the following is not included in the definition of a workman as per the Industries Dispute Act 1947? C. A supervisor drawing monthly salary of rupees 10,000 is correct. 80. Who has defined tort as tortious liability arises from the breach of duty primarily fixed by law? This duty is towards persons generally, and its breach is redressable by an action for unliquidated damages. Salmon. C is correct. 81. Gloucester Grammar School case relates to which of the following important maxims? Damnum sine injuria. A is correct. 82. Which of the following provision of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 relates to no fault liability? Section 140. A is correct. 83rd. How many consumer rights are identified under the Consumer Protection Act 2019? A. 2 is correct. 84. Which of the following body constituted under the Consumer Protection Act 2019 is authorized to render advice on promotion and protection of consumers' right under the Act? Central Consumer Protection Authority. A is correct. Answer. 85th. Which of the following provision of the Constitution of India states that no tax can be levied or collected except by authority of law? Article 265. D option is the correct answer. 86th. Which of the following would be the first previous year in case of a business or profession newly set up on 31st March 2020 as per the Income Tax Act 1961? Start from 1st April 2019 and will end on 31st March 2020. A is the correct answer. 87. As per the Income Tax Act 1961, a person is said to be resident of India in any previous year if he had been in India for a period of the following number of days in the previous year. 182 days. B is correct answer. Income is defined under which of the following provision of the Income Tax Act 1961? Section 2, Clause 24. B option is the correct answer of 88th. 89. Which of the following is not a fraud as per the Indian Contract Act 1872? C. Mere silence if not duty bound by speak is correct answer. 90. Which of the following statement is correct if A, intending to deceive B, falsely represents that 500 mounds of indigo are made annually at A's factory and thereby induces B to buy the factory? Contract is voidable at the option of B. C is correct. 91. Which of the following injunction can be granted only by the decree made at hearing and upon the merit of the suit? Perpetual injunction. B option is correct. 92. A stipulation in a bond for payment of compound interest on failure to pay simple interest at the same rate as was payable upon the principal is not a penalty within the meaning of which of the following provision of the Indian Contract Act 1872? Section 74B. Correct. 93. What is the default interest payable under Section 63A of the Transfer of Property Act 1882? 9% per annum. C is the correct answer. 94. Which of the following is the time limit given under Section 17 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882? A period of 18 years from the date of transfer. B. 95. Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument as per the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881? Hyundai. B is correct. 96. In the light of Negotiable Instruments Act 1881, at what rate interest will be charged if the rate of interest is mentioned on the negotiable instruments? 18% per annum. C is correct. 97. Within what period from the date of publication of the declaration, if no award is made, the entire proceedings for the acquisition of land shall lapse as per the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act 2013, 12 months. B is correct. 98. What is the minimum percentage of affected families that need to give their prior consent for acquiring land for private companies as per the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act 2013? 90%. C option is correct. 99. Imagine an IPL team sets up a company to sell its own range of clothes. What type of intellectual property can the team use to show that the clothes are made by them? Registered designs. D option is correct. 100. How long do patents usually last for? 20 years. B is correct option. So guys, ये थे कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो कि AIBE-18 में पूछे गए थे। तो आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसे शेयर कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए, सपोर्ट कीजिए मेरे चैनल को। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।